Don't you ever say that I snore fucking loud again. I think you might need a snoring ring, my darling. What do you think? Lydia? Maybe you wake yourself up snoring. Darling? Darling? You're snoring.
No, I didn't mean to.
Fucking well loud, and I filmed it.
No, I didn't